A for Ayodhyalama, B for Bhargavalama, C for Chinmayalama, D for Dasharathalama, E for Ishwaralama, F for Falgunalama, G for Gunatmakalama, H for Hanumantalama, I for Linneyalama, T for Jagadabilama, K for Kausalyalama, L for Lakshmanalama, M for Malyadalama,
N.
N for Nalahalilama, O for Omkalalama, P for Pushotmamalama, Q for Kushalavalama, R for Lagukulalama, S for Sitalama, T for Talakalama, U for Udattalama, V for Vasishtalama.